Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to update your Bluetooth drivers, so let's see how we can do that. You just have to simply press the window button or start button and here to search for device manager. Once you have searched, you just have to look for Bluetooth here. This is a Bluetooth. Expand this and here's your Bluetooth driver. You just have to right click on this and then click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers, or if you have any downloaded drivers, so you can also select this one. I brought my computer for drivers. Then click on let me pick from a list, and here you will see if you have any driver in downloaded in your computer. I'm gonna search automatically for drivers. Just click on this, it will search automatically if any update will pending for your Bluetooth drivers. It will be download and installed on your PC, and after that your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again, or your driver will be up to date. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.